everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to walk you through the complete process of setting up and running shopping ads on Google. Whether you are new to e-commerce or looking to optimize your current ad strategy, this guide will provide you with all steps you need. So let's get started. What are Google shopping ads? First, let's talk about the Google shopping ads. Google shopping ads are a type of ad that display your product image, price and store information directly in Google shopping results. These ads help users find products they are interested in and drive traffic to your online store. Shopping ads can appear in two main places, Google search and the Google shopping tab. They are highly visual and can include product photo, title, price and your store name and more. Second, requirement and prerequisites. Before you can create shopping ads, you will need a few things in place: a Google ad account, a Google Merchant Center account, a product feed that lists all product you want to advertise, a website that meets Google requirements. If you don't have this set up yet, don't worry. I will guide you through the setup process. Third, setting up Google Merchant Center. Let's start by setting up your Google Merchant Center account. Head over to merchantcentergoogle.com and sign in your Google account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create new one. Once your account is set up, the next step is to claim your website. This is crucial because it allows Google to confirm that you own the website where your products are listed. Fourth, creating a product feed. A product feed is a file that contains all the information about the products you want to advertise. This includes details like product title, description, price, and more. You can create this feed manually using a spreadsheet e-commerce platform. Google adds specific requirement for all product feed, so make sure you follow their guidelines closely. Once your feed is ready, you will need to upload it to the Google Merchant Center. 5 point. Linking Google ad with Merchant Center. Now that your Merchant Center account is set up and your product feed is uploaded, it's time to link your Google ad account with your Merchant Center account. This allows you product data to be used in your shopping campaigns. 6 point. Creating a shopping campaign in Google Ads. With everything linked, we can now create our shopping campaign. Log into your Google Ad account and click on the campaign tab. Then click on the plus to create a new campaign. Choose sale as your campaign goal and then select shopping as your campaign type. You will be promoted to select the Merchant Center account you just linked and country where your products are sold. 7 point. Optimize your shopping ads. Once your campaign is up and running, it's important to monitor its performance and make adjustments as needed. Here are a few tips for optimize your shopping ads. Use high quality images. Ensure your product photos are clear and attractive. Optimize product title and description. Include relevant keyword to improve visibility. Set competitive price. Compare your price with competitors to stay competitive. Utilize negative keywords. Include irrelevant search terms to focus your budget on more relevant queries. 8th point. Tracking and analyzing performance. Hosts showing Google Ad dashboard. Finally, let's talk about tracking and analyzing the performance of your shopping ads. Use a Google Ad dashboard to track key metrics like clicks, impression and conversion. This data will you understand what's working and what's need to improvement. And that's it. You have successfully set up and launched your Google shopping ads. Remember, running effective shopping ads takes continuous monitoring and optimizing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck with your campaigns. Thank you.